For the last 3 weeks, some students from the Barcelona School of Management have been working on the real challenges that companies will have in the future. And this project has been within a larger project. It's called Ideas Meet Markets, that has the goal to help companies and startups work together in order to see how they can help each other in solving their real needs in the markets of the future. In the beginning of July of 2013, a group of companies and a group of startups will meet and develop a set of workshops around challenges. And the idea is that the companies explain what their real needs are in terms of markets, and startups will help them develop new strategies and develop new solutions to those challenges using whatever they have in their portfolios. And the main idea is that companies have needs that are different from the needs that they had previous years, in years before, and startups have new tools, new ideas, new developments that could be used in different new settings, and putting them together in a different context, rather than having the startups asking for money or asking for resources. What we want is that companies explain that they have markets that they can address with different new products, and startups have new ideas that could be used by those companies. So the idea is we want to generate a new sort of event, a new sort of encounter between companies and our startups, where companies provide their markets and startups provide their ideas. So ideas meet markets in order to develop new opportunities. We have been working with some large companies, some 50 large companies in Spain for the last 3 years, and what we have learned is that those companies have new challenges, new opportunities, new problems that have to be addressed, and that those problems generally cannot be addressed using the same tools as they used in the previous years. For instance, some of the challenges that we have detected are challenges like how to reinvent retail. The experience of retail is changing very fast. The ideas that you used to use in a shop or in a commercial setting have changed. Another potential challenge, for instance, is how you use the large amount of data, the huge amount of data that you have in your databases in order to make decisions faster and smarter. Another, for instance, potential issue is how you make your customers develop products with yourself, so how you make your customers co-create with you. So there are a set of different challenges that are new in the market, and that companies need new tools to address those challenges. So what we did for the last weeks is that we propose a group of students from the Barcelona School of Management to look around on the internet about what companies are demanding as new tools, what are the new needs of companies, what is changing in markets, what new challenges they have to address, and summarize those challenges in a group in a cluster of ideas, so that during that event in July we could put together companies and startups around that challenge. So what we imagine is that in that event in July we have one room, and the main deal in that room is to combine the capabilities of companies and startups around that challenge. For instance, one challenge is how to prototype faster, how we can build prototypes in a faster way. Okay, as a company, I explain why this challenge is important, why I need a new way to produce an idea that could be prototyped, and a startup that is there on that room could provide their tools, their ideas, their insights, their experience on how they produce prototypes faster. And the result of that conversation, of that workshop around that challenge, is a potential conversation or a potential project between the company and startups. So basically the idea is change the relationship between companies and startups. It is not that startups are there to ask for money, but that startups are there to provide new solutions to the needs of companies with markets, right? So the result of those, the intersection, the interaction between students in the platform has been a set of 7 challenges that we will present in the next minutes. And the idea is that there are examples of how these challenges could be addressed in the market. And we will also explain in a very brief way how those examples are showing a new way to address those challenges. So basically this is it. And in the next minutes what we will propose is which challenges are the result of this process and how relevant those challenges are for companies. Thank you.